H&B Toy TV. Elsa, go! Go, Elsa, go! I got it, Anna. And I'm for sure I'm going to win, even though there's no players. Yeah! Oh, I got it. I got it in the goal. I got it in the goal. What? Oh, Puppy, you flattened the ball. It's okay. I'm a little tired anyway. I'm gonna go sit by Anna. Elsa, what do you say about going on a vacation? I already booked it. What? You booked it? What? But we don't have any time. I didn't even pack my bags. Oh, don't worry about that. I packed them for you. But what if you forgot something in there? Oh, I'm sure. I know what you like. Okay. Well, we better get on the plane quick. Oh no, Elsa. We only have 45 minutes. 45 minutes? That's long, but we only have 45 minutes. We gotta get going. Oh yeah. Well, let's go home then. Wait, who's watching the baby? Oh, Eugene. Oh, I wonder how that's going. Hey, wait! Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Hey! Whoa, sorry. It's okay. Oh, this baby. She's so fast. Are you okay? Eugene? Eugene? Your name's Eugene, right? Flynn. I wonder if he's gonna ever wake up again. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing with her, but she's getting fast. I don't think Flynn can keep up with her. Yeah. Oh, well, we better get home and go to... Wait, where are we going? Oh, somewhere very cool and tropical. Hawaii. Hawaii? I always wanted to go to Hawaii. Thanks, Anna. You're welcome, Elsa. We're here at the airport, Anna. Yeah? So, our bags are already put on because we put them on. Yep. So, let's watch them scoot. Okay. Okay, you can head out to your plane. Have a safe flight. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Here at the plane, Anna.
Yep.
Now we can get out of our seats. Come on.
Yeah.
Anna.
Yep.
Let's wait for the pilot to get here.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, she's already here. Hi. Can't wait for your flight, huh, girls? Yep. We're going to Hawaii. Yep, I could see that because we are on the flight. To Hawaii. Well, whoa, Anna. I mean, Anna. Look at all the buttons and controls. It must take a lot of practice to figure out what those buttons are.
Yeah, it's so cool. I never meant to go on a plane like that.
Yeah, it's closing up. Oh, let's fasten our seatbelts. Let's close it. We're starting to take off. Anna. We're taking off. Yay, we're taking off. Anna. We're in the air.
Yeah, we're in the air.
Yay.
Yeah.
Seatbelts off.
Yay.
Anna, we can take our seatbelts off now.
Yay.
gonna ask us what we want to eat.
Yeah.
Hello, what would you like to eat? Do you want to order first, Anna?
Yeah. I would like a little bit of chicken skewers.
Chicken skewers?
Yeah.
Okay. And what would you like, Elsa? Oh, well, I would really like a salad. And what for drink? Oh, sorry, I forgot to ask you for a drink first. This time I'll choose this time first, Anna.
Okay.
Well, I think I would like a wonderful, just a plain glass of water. That's all. And what would you like, Anna?
I would like some juice.
Okay, your orders will be ready in about 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Your food.
Thank you.
Yum. This is great salad. And Anna, I see you have a juice in a bear cup.
Yeah. And I love these chicken skewers.
Skewers? Chicken skewers?
Yeah.
Yummy. And those are as known as shish kebabs. Shish kebabs. I love my salad. Yummy vegetables. Get some tomato.
I want to get some spaghetti.
Cranberries. I love salad with dressing. Yum. Water. Get some water. Yum, yum, yum. And salad dressing. Cranberries. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Else I can get anything else I can get you? I think we are good. Want me to tell you guys a story?
Yes.
Yes, please. How? Okay. So, it all began with a small little village. It was called Arendelle. Hey, that's where I live. Yep. And Queen Elsa wanted to know why she had powers. Hey, that's the same story of my movie. And my adventure too. I did that adventure before. And she wanted to know the answers about her past and why she had powers. So she went on this journey with Anna.
Then what happened?
Then what happened? I'll tell you. Anna and Elsa had to face a water Nook, a rock monster, and even a fire. And it was it had very much action. And Elsa saved the kingdom with her Nook and her friends. And even though they're apart, they can still work together. The end. Yay! I'm going to take out a sketch pad so I can draw.
Yeah, but why I'm seeing if it's almost.
Oh, you're seeing what's on TV?
Yeah, I'm seeing what's on TV.
Okay. Well, I'm going to start drawing.
Okay.
Oh, I loved the tree that I drew. It's so unique. I love it.
Wow, Elsa, that's so cool.
I think I'm going to paint something now.
Yeah, you should paint.
Look at my tree, Anna.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. I painted it and it's so beautiful now. Wow.
Yeah.
Don't you like it?
Yes, I do.
Wow. I love my painting. It's so beautiful. I'm going to add some glitter.
Okay.
Shake, shake, shake. And put a lot of glitter because we want a lot. Shake, 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 shake. Spilled some glitter. Oops, I kind of spilled some glitter. Let me clean it up. That is better. There, that is better. And everybody, attention everybody, we will be landing in about 45 minutes. Yay, I can't wait to land.
It can't be weird.
Why?
Because I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Oh no, well you better go to the bathroom.
I can't hold it.
Anna, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay in the bathroom.
spit all the stuff out. See, that's better.
That's better.
Anna, poor Anna. She is so tired. I'm gonna go to sleep too. Maybe I'll have some good dreams. Wow, look, it's Dumbo! Wow, I always wanted to meet Dumbo. Wow, 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 wow. What? Wow, I had an amazing dream about meeting Dumbo. It was such a dream. Well, I am going to imagine now. I want to imagine. Let's imagine. Whee! I think Anna was dreaming. And I am imagining I am flying mid-air. Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo-hoo! Whee! I think I'm done imagining now. Let's go home. It was great imagining. That was great imagining. Buddy, we will be leaving in 5 minutes. Yay! Anna, did you hear that?
Huh? What?
Anna, we're about to land in 5 minutes. Do you want to wait, do you want to let's count to 60. Well, that's kind of hard. How about we read a story?
Yeah, but
How about I tell you a story?
But we already read the story.
Well, can we do one again?
Sure, but
Let's do a story.
but not all of them.
Okay. I made up this character. I made up this character called Ladybug Girl, and she plays with her dog Bingo.
Aw.
Okay. Lulu her real name is Lulu. Lulu loves to play. She's Ladybug Girl, and she can skip rope while she counts all the way up to 28. Ladybug and Bingo have a tea party. Would you like cream in your tea, Bingo? Ladybug Girl and Bingo go outside to play hide and seek. Bingo is such a good hider. He is almost invisible. Do you like my story so far, Anna?
Yeah.
You don't?
I like it. I'm just kidding. I like it.
Ladybug Girl builds a whole city with her blocks. Be careful not to knock it down, Bingo, Ladybug Girl said. Ladybug Girl pretends she's a tightrope walker at the circus.
I'm imagining the picture in my head now.
Imagining the picture in your head now?
Yeah.
Tell me what it looks like.
It looks like a little girl and polka dots swimming in the water, I think. It looks like. And there's Bingo. He's catching up. It's on my mind.
That's what you saw in your mind?
Yes, yes.
It sounds really cool. Okay, let me finish the story.
Okay.
Ladybug Girl pretends she's a pipe rope walker in the circus. Bingo holds the rope steady. Ladybug Girl hula hoops round and round. Ladybug Girl can play all day, but Bingo needs a rest. That was my story. Did you like it, Anna?
Yes.
Buddy, we are about to land. Yay! 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 Everybody get in your seats. Get in your seat, Anna. Shh. 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 Yay, we're landing! Yay! Yay, we're landing! Yay! We have now landed. We are now at Hawaii.
Yeah.
Hawaii, Maui. Come on, let's get out, Anna. Yep, I love this trip. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, and also tell me in the comments if you had a vacation and if you really liked it. Bye.